Hey you guys, what's up? I am Mercedes Styles and you're about to watch another slay. So today I'll be doing the kid large knotless braids over because the last video wasn't good quality. So today I'm going to get up close and personal with you guys so that you guys can see the position of my hands and how I'm adding the hair. So just sit back and watch me work. So you guys, what you want to do is get the most precise comb that you have and make a part from ear to ear without the product. And then you want to spread the product on that part and then try to make it as crispy as possible. Sometimes it takes me a little longer to make my part, but you definitely want to make that part from ear to ear because it's going to be your guide. So the product that I'm using is Shine and Gem Magic Fingers by Stasha Harris, and the jar was $10.99. This is a small jar. And as you can see, I had already put the Shine and Gem around the piece that I'm going to display for you guys. And I'm sorry, I did do the first braid already. I have forgot to record. But now, right now, I'm just dividing the hair into 3 sections. And then I'm going to just smooth it out with the comb so that the base part of my knotless braid can be smooth. You definitely want to make sure those pieces are smooth because you don't want to give your clients knots at the at the base of their knotless braid, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm going to make a plait first before I start to add the hair in. Please be sure to smooth the hair out as you can see in the video. So right now you can see that I am about to add hair. I made the first plait and now I'm going to add the same amount of hair as the natural hair in between my index finger and my middle finger. I'm going to take that hair and I'm going to cross over and pinch. This is my method, cross and pinch. This is the second piece of hair that I'm adding. You're going to put it in between your index and your middle finger. You're going to grab, cross, and pinch. Grab, cross, and pinch. And then you're going to add the third piece of hair. This piece of hair is a little bit thicker. You're going to grab, cross, and pinch. Grab, cross, and pinch. And now this is the last piece of hair that we're going to add to this braid. So when I add hair, I do add 4 pieces of hair. The first 2 pieces do be the same size as the natural hair, and then I go bigger. This is just because I like my braids to look even. And if you could see the first braid that I did, the beginning, you could tell where I added the 4 pieces of hair, and then I went underhand. I usually braid overhand, then underhand. Like the last video, I braided underhand throughout the whole thing because I wanted to see a different style in my braids. So I tried something new. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my up close and personal video. I am Mercedes Styles, and you have just watched me slay another way. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because the next video I'll be going over stitch braids, and I know a lot of people have problems with their stitch braids, so please make sure you stay tuned for my next video.